What's up everybody, Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be checking out 50 Resto's exterior emblem kits currently available for the 1985 to 1993 Fox Body Mustangs. 50 Resto put these emblem kits together with the restoration enthusiast in mind. Each kit is built to closely match the factory emblems on your 1985 to 1993 LX, GT, or Cobra. Throughout the years, Ford did make some subtle design changes to a few of the emblems, which is why you'll see separate emblem kits for the 1985 to 1986 GTs, 85 to 86 LXs, 87 GTs, 87 LXs, 1988 to 1993 GTs, 1988 to 1993 LXs, and of course the 93 Cobra. These kits will feature an assortment of Ford original emblems, Ford licensed emblems, or a high quality reproduction of a factory emblem. For this particular video, I am going to be installing the emblems on a 1991 GT, which uses the kit intended for the 88 to 93 Mustang GTs. These steps I'm about to cover can and will be used for the other kit offerings. Before you begin, be sure and have on hand some premium microfiber towels, paint-safe adhesive remover, an eraser wheel, drill, painter's tape, some fishing line or a plastic pry tool, a sharp utility blade, alcohol, and an air compressor if you have access to one. You also need to print out 2 copies of our emblem locating template. This template is available on the video description or the product pages. The steps I'm about to cover can and will be used for the other kit offerings. However, because of the front emblem placement on 4Ride cars and 93 Cobras, removal of the front bumper may be the route you have to take. Be sure and check out our front bumper removal video. You want to begin with a clean car. Remove the front emblem by removing the 2 10mm PAL nuts located on the back of the emblem. These can be accessed from underneath the front bumper. With the emblem removed, clean the area. Slide the new emblem into place. Hold the emblem in place with one hand. Install the PAL nuts and then carefully tighten with a 1/4 inch drive 10mm deep socket. Use painter's tape and mask off around the fender emblem. Carefully heat the emblem and then use fishing line or a plastic pry tool to remove the emblem. Go ahead and blow away any debris. Wipe down the area. Use an eraser wheel to remove the bulk of the adhesive. Now when using an eraser wheel, don't run the drill at high speed and do not apply too much pressure. Blow away any rubber shavings and adhesive from the eraser wheel. Wipe the area with an adhesive remover until all of the adhesive is gone. Now go ahead and clean the area with some alcohol to prep the surface for the new emblem. Cut out the designated rectangle in the emblem template with a utility blade. Place painter's tape on all 4 sides of the paper. Align the designated marks on the template with the body lines. Make sure the template is level and then apply pressure to the tape. Remove the adhesive backing from the emblem. Align the emblem with the opening and lightly adhere it to the surface. Before applying too much pressure to the emblem, go ahead and remove your template. With the template now out of your way, go ahead and apply even pressure across the entire emblem. You'll want to repeat those steps for the other side. Moving to the back of the car, place a piece of tape underneath the emblem. Apply heat and then carefully remove the emblem with a plastic wedge tool or fishing line. Now in my case, someone put this emblem back on with some silicone. Now it did take a while to remove, but a combination of adhesive remover and the eraser wheel, it did the trick. Go ahead and remove the tape. Once the old adhesive is removed, wipe down the area with alcohol to prep the surface. Remove the adhesive backing from the emblem. Position the alignment tabs into place and then firmly apply pressure to the emblem. If you own a 1987 to 1993 GT, you're finished. Now for the 85 to 86 GTs, 85 to 93 LXs, and the 93 Cobras, there will be a few more steps added in the mix. Use these same methods as I showed you, and you'll be good to go. Overall installation time will vary for these kits, but you can probably bet on an hour from start to finish. Again guys, these kits are an essential restoration piece for your 1985 to 1993 LX, GT, or Cobra, which is why I would recommend them to anyone looking to dial in their Fox Body restoration project. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.